Hey guys, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to sign up for your ChatGPT account. Open your web browser and at the search bar, type in chatgpt.openai.com. Once you do so, tap this first link. At this page, tap on Sign Up. Here, enter your email address, or you can also continue with your Google account. Now type in your email address and tap Continue. Enter your password. Now open your Gmail address to verify. Tap Verify Email Address. Enter your first and last name. Enter your phone number and your correct country code. And lastly, enter the code that has been sent to your mobile number. And you will see this portal right here. And this is how you sign up for your ChatGPT account. Thank you for watching.